Naturalization has gotten a lot tougher lately. Here are 3 mistakes that can cost you an approval. My name is Ruth Jean, and I am an immigration lawyer practicing in the United States. If you're applying for U.S. citizenship, please avoid these 3 mistakes. Not filing your taxes properly, not bringing proof of child support payments, not being honest about the trips that you've taken outside of the United States. Remember, when you're being interviewed by an officer, they probably know the answers to most of your questions. They want to check that you're being honest and your eligibility. This is too important for you to risk not being approved. Prepare the right way. Remember, this information is not legal advice on your case. It is solely for informational purposes. However, if you're looking to apply for citizenship, do not hesitate to call us at 954-278-9332, 954-278-9332. Thank you.